Hi guys, it's ASBYT and right here we have the Hisense A7G QLED 4K TV in what might just be the perfect, good quality, affordable large screen TV for this year. I know a lot of you might be on the lookout for a brand new TV with the holiday season just around the corner, so when Hisense reached out to sponsor this full walkthrough of their brand new TV series, I thought you might find this helpful because I think you might be able to pick up a real bargain here. But more on that in a second. Firstly, new studio setup, almost complete, not quite, but almost complete. What do you think? Better? Worse? Let me know in the comments. I will do a full walkthrough probably over on my Instagram about what I've done in the near future. And also, if I sound a little bit off today, I'm massively struggling, under the weather, but I'll battle on for you and hopefully I can complete the video. So firstly, the Hisense A7G series of TVs come in a variety of sizes, which should suit all, from 43 inches to 50 to 55, 65 and 75 as well. I have the 65-inch version here, and knowing the price, this thing really impressed me. The unboxing experience is as you would expect, with no frills, but no surprises either. The TV, of course, manuals, remote with accompanying batteries, and the stand. You can wall mount this TV, but I've chosen to use the stand, which has this really nice brushed metal look and can be attached with the 4 simple screws provided. The ports include 3 HDMI, one with eARC support, 1 USB 3.0, 1 USB 2.0, a headphone jack, antenna 1 and 2, and your optical and LAN as well. Power port on the other side. So you may have heard of QLED technology before, but if you haven't, it stands for quantum dot. And this technology is kind of, in simple terms, a more affordable answer to OLED technology. It may not be able to quite reproduce the black levels and viewing angles of an OLED screen, but often they can be brighter and potentially have a longer lifespan. Quantum dot technology can offer a wider range of colours, more shades and more hues than a standard TV, meaning it can be more colour accurate as there is a larger palette. The A7G series TV has a direct LED backlight and is 4K HDR certified. Dolby Vision helps to showcase some lovely vibrant colours, and when viewing from front on, the picture is bright and sharp with over 8 million pixels, and contrast levels on the whole for the price are pretty good. As you move away from the centre, the picture quality and colours do tend to shift a little bit, common with this technology, but just something to know. And another thing to note is its max 60Hz panel, which will be fine for the majority of users, but if you are into your high frame rate gaming, then you may want to consider your options. But it does have a special trick up its sleeve in this department. It has a smooth motion feature which identifies fast moving objects and reconstructs the pixels to create a clearer motion. This helps to reduce any trails or judders that may appear in certain games and sports, etc. There is also a game mode which reduces input lag. This shorter delay between your input and the on-screen development is really helpful if you enjoy first-person shooters or fast-paced sports games, for example, where every millisecond counts. You know the moment, you've got seconds, you can't be waiting around, bam, you'd be dead. Oh dear. I am really ill. You're going to have to bear with me on this one, honestly. I am really struggling. This TV also has a couple of other bits of wizardry up its sleeve, including an advanced algorithm to analyse the incoming signal and tweak the lights and darks of the picture depending on the content. Ultra dimming, as it's called, refines the image to deliver better details across both the dark and the bright parts. The TV can also automatically recognise 11 real-world scenarios and optimise the image accordingly to offer the best results, whether that's blue skies, forests, faces, sports, etc. This can hopefully provide the most authentic image possible. You have Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa compatibility if that's your thing, so you can use voice search once set up using the microphone button on the remote. The remote also has all the major features you would look for, including your source input button and all of your major app shortcuts, with the likes of Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video all available. You also have a Freeview button which gives you all of your terrestrial content, and a sports button which offers recent highlights, including this absolute thrashing of San Marino by England. Like, honestly, 10-0, what's the point of some of these qualifiers? I mean, one thing to note though, Qatar 2022 is coming home. Don't go there again. Navigating around the Hisense video software is refreshingly simple. It isn't the most feature-rich UI I've used, but what it does simple and well. You have all of your apps in a tile format on the bottom, much like we used to now, pretty much in any smart TV setup. And up the top you have access to your search, input, settings, etc. There isn't a huge amount of options, but you do have some handy tools to customize your picture and audio settings to your tastes. And speaking of audio, you also have Dolby Atmos here as well. So as you can see, this TV ticks a lot of boxes for this very affordable price. Now let's get to price. So the smallest 43-inch version is currently, with deals, under £400 at certain retailers. And my 65-inch version, you can get it for currently, with deals, under £700 for a 65-inch TV of this level. I think that's pretty good. Obviously, prices will vary on which retailer you go with and the time that you're watching this video. Prices may alter, offers, etc. So keep your eye out for those cheeky bargains, especially around this time. I will leave a link to this product in the video description below, so you can go through and check it out and get more information if you're interested. And while you're down there, let me know in the comments what you think of this TV and what TV you currently have and what you're looking for in a future product. Is this the best affordable large screen 4K TV right now? It might be. Let me know what you think. As always, drop a like on the video if you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe if you are new to the channel and love everything tech. Let me know what you think, like I said, of the new studio setup. Does it please your eye? Or does it look a little bit like a brothel right now with these RGB lighting? We could go red and make it look too much. Yeah, we'll probably leave off the red for now. Yeah, like I said, I'm struggling, so I'm going to end the video right there. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.